Find a comfortable position. Allow your hands to rest naturally. When you're ready, softly close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and gently breathe out through your mouth. Again, inhale slowly, filling your lungs with fresh, peaceful air. Exhale gently, releasing tension from your body. With every inhale, invite calm into your mind. With every exhale, let go of stress, worry, and pressure. Imagine every breath carrying away anything that no longer serves you. Let it drift away like clouds in the sky. There is nothing you need to hold on to right now. You're safe. You are present. You are enough. Continue breathing slowly. Inhale peace. Exhale anything heavy. Allow yourself to feel lighter with every breath. Quietly repeat in your mind, I let go with love. I choose peace. I welcome calm into my life. Take one final deep breath in and slowly breathe out. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining Day 6. See you tomorrow for Day 7.